Hello students, how are you? Take care of your parents, yourself, your siblings during COVID-19. I am Vinay Kumar Singh, lecturer English at Sardar Patel Inter College, Chiragaon, District Jhansi. In previous video, I taught you about the reported speech of interrogative sentences. In this video, we are going to study imperative sentences. Reported speech of imperative sentences. Let's see how we will change the reported speech of imperative sentences by changing direct speech into indirect speech or indirect narration. Let's see with examples. First, the officer said to the clerk, bring all the files. Students, whenever inside reported speech there is imperative sentence, we change imperative sentences as per the sense. Okay? We change the reporting verb as per the sense of the reported speech. If there is the sense of request, we change reporting verb said or said to into requested or begged or implored or entreated. If inside reported speech there is sense of advice, we change reporting verb said or said to into advised or urged. If there is sense of order, we change the reporting verb said or said to into ordered or commanded. Students, let's see examples of request, order and advice first. Then we'll see some more examples. Let's change. Okay? Bring all the files. Here is the sense of order. So let's change reporting verb into order. The officer ordered the clerk. Students, we remove inverted comma and we use to. Means reported speech. We join the reported speech, connect the reported speech with the help of infinitive. So we use to bring all the files. स्टूडेंट्स, जब ऑर्डर का सेंस होगा तो हम ऑर्डर में बदलते हैं, कमांडेड में भी बदलते हैं. देखिए, द कैप्टन said to the soldiers, march ahead. Okay? Let's see. The captain commanded the soldiers to march ahead. Students, let's see another example where there is a sense of advice. Ravi said to his friends, work hard. Reported speech has the sense of advice. So let's change Ravi advised his friends to work hard. We see we use to as connective and connect reported speech to reporting verb with the help of infinitive by changing direct speeches into indirect speeches or indirect narration. Let me repeat. I think you will have understood how we are connecting these sentences. Let me repeat. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर रिक्वेस्ट का भाव होगा तो हम रिक्वेस्टेड, बेग्ड, एंट्रीटेड या इम्प्लोर्ड में बदलते हैं. देखिए, द स्टूडेंट said to his class teacher, mark me present sum. The student requested his class teacher to mark him present. ओके, सर हटा देंगे, रिक्वेस्टेड में उसका सेंस आ गया. आगे देखिए, बेग्ड का बदलते हैं. अ बेगर said to me, please give me something to eat. You can see here this sense of request. Since the request is being done by a beggar, we'll use beg. A beggar begged me to give him something to eat. Students, you can see here, if reported speech has please, kindly, so, it means there is sense of request in reported speech. So we will change reporting verb said or said to into requested or begged or implored or entreated. Okay, let me repeat. Students, sometimes reported speech is negative and starts with do not. Okay, let's see how we will change such sentences. Mother said to me, do not abuse anyone. Students, if there is the use of do not, we can change reporting verb into forward. Let's see. Mother forward me. If we change reporting verb said or said to into forward, we'll remove do not both. Okay, both do not and use to. to abuse anyone. Students, you can see, since we used forward in the place of reporting verb, we removed do not verb. क्योंकि हमने रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब सेट टू को फॉरवर्ड में बदल दिया, इसलिए डू नॉट को हटा दिया और यहाँ टू का प्रयोग करके जोड़ दिया। डू नॉट दोनों हट जाएगा क्योंकि डू नॉट का सेंस जो है फॉरवर्ड में आ गया। एक तरीका और है इसको बदलने का, दूसरा तरीका देखिए, कोई जरूरी नहीं है फॉरवर्ड में बदलें, दूसरे शब्द में बदल सकते हैं। मदर एडवाइज्ड मी। अब जब कभी भी फॉरवर्ड में नहीं बदलेंगे, एडवाइज में बदलेंगे या ऑर्डर में बदलेंगे, तो हम डू नॉट में से केवल डू को हटाएंगे, नॉट बना रहेगा। तो नॉट और टू का प्रयोग नॉट के बाद, टू नॉट टू अब्यूज एनी वन। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ये तो डू नॉट करा। सपोज द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच स्टार्ट्स विथ नेवर, so let's see how we'll change the direct speech into indirect speech or indirect narration. Father said to his son, never trust anyone during journey by train। देख सकते हैं आप, या नेवर का प्रयोग। Whenever there is the use of never, we change reporting verb into advised। Father advised his son, and to is used after never। इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को हटा देंगे, टू का प्रयोग नेवर के बाद करते हैं। His son never to trust anyone during journey by train। देख सकते हैं यहाँ टू का प्रयोग जो है नेवर के बाद हुआ है। ठीक है, क्लियर? आई थिंक you will have got clear knowledge, स्पष्ट पता चल गया होगा। Let's see some other type of sentences. Let me rub these sentences. Sometimes reported speech starts with if, and if there is inside reported speech there is sense of advice, we change reporting verb into advised. Let's see how we'll change. See, the doctor said to the patient, if you feel temperature take इंजेक्शन। ओके, अगर इस तरह का सेंटेंस हो और इसमें कंसल्ट एडवाइस दिया गया हो तो हम क्या करेंगे? द डॉक्टर एडवाइज्ड the patient to take injection if he felt देखिए शुड का प्रयोग होना चाहिए द पेशेंट शुड टेक इंजेक्शन इफ ही फेल्ट टेम्परेचर। ठीक है, अगर इस तरह का कोई सेंटेंस हो तो इस तरह से हम बदलते हैं, ध्यान रखते हैं। यहाँ गलती हो रही है, टू से ही जोड़ेंगे इसको, टू टेक इंजेक्शन। ओके, टू टेक इंजेक्शन। आगे देखिए, लेट्स वाले सेंटेंस देखते हैं। लेट मी रफ इट। अगर लेट्स वाले सेंटेंस लेट अस और लेट्स सेंटेंस रिपोर्टेड स्पीच मतलब लेट अस या लेट से शुरू होता है तो कैसे बदलते हैं? देखिए, रमन said to Dinesh, let us play a match. Students, whenever reported speech starts with let us or let's, it shows proposal or suggestion. So we change reporting verb said into proposed or suggested. Let's see. Raman proposed to Dinesh. फिर आते हैं हम लोग इन्वर्टेड कामा। वी रिप्लेस इन्वर्टेड कामा एंड यूज दैट, ओके, एज कनेक्टिव। Then come to let us. Let is changed into should and us is changed into they or we. Here we will change it into they. They should play a match. Question arises, why they? Why not we? We change letters into that we should when the object or the subject of reporting verb is in first person. Okay? If anyone out of the subject or the object of the reporting verb is of first person, we change letters into they should. Okay? Sorry, we should. If there is no not a use of not any use of first person, will change into that they should. Okay, let's see another example. I said to Rashmi, let us go to see the Taj. I proposed Rashmi that we should go to see the ताज। आपने देखना आप लोगों ने क्या किया, here I used we, means I changed letters into we should. Why? Because the subject of reporting verb is of first person. If anyone means subject or object of reporting verb, one out of subject or object is first person, will change letters into we should. Otherwise, will change into they should. Let's see another one. The teacher said to the students, let us learn lessons. Students, since the teacher will not learn, so will use suggest. The teacher proposed to. Teacher suggested to the students. We change only said, not said to. Okay, to remains there. The teacher suggested to the students that they should learn their lessons. Okay, I think you will have got enough stuff to change such type of sentences. Okay, let's change roughly. Students, अगर ऐसे वाक्यों में लेट अस नेगेटिव आता है, जैसे देखिए तो कैसे बदलते हैं. आनंद सेड लेट्स visit the zoo. Rajni said, let's not. कैसे बदलते हैं? आनंद proposed to Rajni. We know that conversation is going between, dialogue is going between Anand and Rajni. That's why I brought Rajni here. Anand proposed to Rajni that they should go to visit the zoo, but Rajni objected it. Sorry, Rajni objected. Okay, हम इसको चाहें तो लिख सकते हैं रजनी ऑब्जेक्टेड की जगह रजनी वाज अगेंस्ट इट. ओके, लेट मी डू सम अदर टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर लेट के बाद मी आता है फर्स्ट पर्सन, लेट मी, इट ऑलवेज शोज रिक्वेस्ट. ओके, देखिए, the boy said to his mother, let me see match. Okay, कैसे बदलेंगे? द बॉय requested. Let me always show request. So we change reporting verb into requested. Requested his mother. There are two ways from here. Either we connect with the help of infinitive or another way. Let me teach him. To let him see match. One way. This is one way. From here, let's see another way. The boy requested his mother. We use that instead of to. That, okay, then subject. He, and might be allowed is added. Might be allowed to. We bring and use might be allowed to just after the subject. Might be allowed to see match. ओके, माइट बी अलाउड का प्रयोग जो है हम सब्जेक्ट की बात करते हैं. दैट लगाने के बाद सब्जेक्ट जो है नॉमिनेटिव कंडीशन में रहता है. लेट मी रफ इट. ओके, अगर लेट के बाद कोई थर्ड पर्सन का प्रोनाउन आता है, नाउन या नाउन ही यहाँ तो है, तो हम उसे ऑर्डर में बदलते हैं. इट शोज ऑलवेज ऑर्डर. लेट्स सी. द ऑफिसर said to the peon, let no one come late. Okay, let no one come no late. The officer ordered the peon. ठीक है ना. इसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं? दैट का प्रयोग करते हैं. वी यूज दैट. दैट, लेट इज रिमूव्ड और नो वन जो सब्जेक्ट है उसको लाते हैं. नो वन. इसके बाद हम शुड का प्रयोग करते हैं. शुड कम लेट. ओके, दैट नो वन शुड कम लेट. लेट्स सी वन मोर एग्जांपल. द किंग said to his minister, let the prisoner number 105 be set free. देखिए, the king ordered his minister that the prisoner number 105 should be set free. हम लोग इसको बदलते हैं तो दैट का प्रयोग करते हैं और सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब के बीच में शुड का प्रयोग करते हैं. शुड बी का. देखिए, कुछ रिक्वेस्ट या एडवाइस वाले सेंटेंस जो देयर से शुरू करते हैं. लेट देयर से शुरू होते हैं. लेट देयर बी से स्टार्ट. लेट देयर बी. The clerk said to his boss. Let there be no further inquiry in my case. देखिए कैसे बदलते हैं. The clerk requested his boss that there should be, there और बी के बीच में हम शुड का प्रयोग करते हैं. नो फर्दर इंक्वायरी in my case. Okay, let me teach you one more example only. The man said to his friends, let there be no talk about his dead son. देखिए, the man advised his friends that there should be no talk about his dead son. Students, I think you will have got enough stuff and your concept will be clear, quite clear. Read the rules from your grammar book carefully. Do exercises from grammar book. See you in next video. I'll teach you about exclamatory sentence. Okay. See you. Take care of it yourself. Thanks.